So hello guys, I'm here at one of the highest points of Cebu City, and we're here for the first anniversary of Balay sa Pusay. And once again, we're gonna enjoy some excellent Filipino food while enjoying this wonderful view here. An amazing ambiance with good food. So if you wanna learn more of what you can eat here, better check out this video. So let's have some lechon tinola. It's interesting, quite fatty. You can also taste the tinola flavor, but also the lechon flavors there, the fattiness of the lechon with the fragrance of tinola. Interesting. That's like the concept of bread lumpia. Ang hari sa fiesta muna. So the chickenillo, guys. You have one. So the tender, super tender chicken. Got a big slice. Finally, for dessert, we have the banana cream. So guys, once again, it was an awesome lunch there at Balay sa Pusay. Really impressive food. I mean, yes, we love for me, I really love the classics. If you say what will I order, again, there definitely get the adobong binisaya. It's the dry adobo, and also of course, yeah, the sisig is also fun to eat. But probably yes, I would definitely yes get that. But yeah, by the way, the chips are also a revelation. I mean, mixed root crops wow, I love the way they spice it up, the way they season it. It's really one of the best, I guess. If you're gonna make chips, you better check out their chips. And yes, if you love Filipino food and a restaurant with a great view, well, you have to visit Balay sa Busay. Enjoy it there. It's a very romantic place, a good place for dates, but also a great place for families and friends to enjoy good food at a very nice setting, especially at night. So thank you so much for watching this video, and hey, check out the page of Balay sa Busay because they're celebrating their first anniversary and they have many surprises for you guys. And if you haven't, and of course, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now. And I hope to see you in our next food adventures, guys. Bye bye.